Plant FAQs. Chimonanthus praecox, Wintersweet. What is Chimonanthus praecox? Chimonanthus praecox, commonly known as Wintersweet, belong to the Calycanthaceae family, is a deciduous shrub celebrated for its strikingly fragrant yellow flowers that bloom in winter. Originating from East Asia, this plant is cherished for its unique ability to brighten up the garden during the colder months. Wintersweet typically grows between 10 to 15 feet tall and wide, making it a substantial addition to any garden. The flowers, with their delicate, lemony scent, appear on bare stems, providing a cheerful contrast to the often stark winter landscape. Where to buy Chimonanthus praecox? Finding Chimonanthus praecox may require some effort, as it's not always available at big box stores. Specialized nurseries or garden centers that focus on rare or unique plants are often the best places to start. Additionally, you might want to check online plant retailers or specialty plant mail-order services. When purchasing online, ensure the seller provides detailed information about the plant's origin and health. How to care for Chimonanthus praecox. Caring for Chimonanthus praecox involves a few key considerations to ensure it thrives. First, this plant prefers well-drained soil and a sunny to partially shaded location. It is relatively hardy and can tolerate various soil types, but it will flourish best in soil enriched with organic matter. Watering is essential, but should be moderated. The plant should be watered regularly during its growing season, but not overwatered, as this can lead to root rot. In terms of fertilization, applying a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the early spring will support its growth. How to propagate Chimonanthus praecox. Propagating Chimonanthus praecox can be done through several methods, including seed sowing and cuttings. Seeds should be sown in a cold frame or indoor seed starting setup in late winter to early spring. The germination process can be slow, taking several months. For cuttings, take semi-hardwood cuttings in late summer or early fall. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone and plant them in a mix of sand and peat. Keep the cuttings in a humid environment until they develop roots. What to plant with Chimonanthus praecox. Chimonanthus praecox pairs well with other winter-blooming plants to create a multi-seasonal garden. Consider planting it alongside hellebores, which also bloom in winter, or early spring perennials like snowdrops and crocuses. For a contrasting look, you can combine it with evergreen shrubs like holly or boxwood to provide year-round interest. Can you grow Chimonanthus praecox indoors? Growing Chimonanthus praecox indoors is not ideal due to its size and specific environmental needs. It requires a period of winter dormancy and ample space to reach its full potential. However, if you have a large conservatory or greenhouse, you might be able to grow a dwarf variety or a young plant temporarily, provided you can mimic its outdoor conditions as closely as possible. Is Chimonanthus praecox toxic? Chimonanthus praecox is not considered toxic to humans or pets. Its flowers and foliage are safe, making it a suitable choice for gardens where children or animals play. However, as with any plant, it's best to avoid ingestion of large quantities and monitor for any unusual reactions if pets or children come into contact with the plant. Benefits of Chimonanthus praecox. One of the main benefits of Chimonanthus praecox is its ability to bring color and fragrance to the winter garden. Its early blooming period helps to bridge the gap between late fall and early spring. Additionally, its attractive, spidery flowers and pleasant scent make it a valuable asset in landscape design. Common problems with Chimonanthus praecox. While generally hardy, Chimonanthus praecox can face a few issues. Some common problems include powdery mildew and scale insects. To prevent powdery mildew, ensure good air circulation around the plant and avoid overhead watering. For scale insects, a regular inspection and appropriate insecticidal treatments can help keep them in check. How does Chimonanthus praecox compare to similar plants? When compared to other winter-blooming shrubs like Edgeworthia chrysantha, paperbush, and Daphne odora, winter daphne, Chimonanthus praecox stands out due to its more pronounced fragrance and slightly larger size. While Edgeworthia also produces fragrant flowers, it has a more delicate appearance. Daphne odora, on the other hand, is more compact and has a different flowering pattern. Each plant offers unique benefits, but Chimonanthus praecox is particularly noted for its robust presence in the winter garden. Overall, Chimonanthus praecox is a fantastic choice for gardeners looking to add a touch of winter color and fragrance to their landscape. With the right care and placement, It can become a cherished feature of your garden for many years.